outside right now at the beach. It's beautiful, 62 degrees. Wind coming in off the ocean. It's going to get really windy as we go through the day tomorrow. So get ready, especially eastern Oregon, central Oregon, and the gorge. But even in the coast and the western valleys, we will feel the breeze. 89 our high in Portland. Did not make 90 yet, but they did over in Hills Road. We still have a chance of eking it out. 89 in Troutdale, 85 in Kelso. The Dalles made 96. That's the hot spot in Oregon this afternoon. Okay, Doppler radar showing some storms over the southern Oregon Cascades. More storms, thunderstorms building over the mountains of eastern Oregon, but nothing really popping in the northern Oregon Cascades, and all of this activity will die down as the sun angle continues to drop closer to the horizon. We've got two advisories to talk about. Well, one advisory, one warning. Wind advisory, and that is co-located with a fire weather warning in the Columbia Basin here because of the strong winds that I mentioned. Let's look at the western edge of it. It does not include the Hood River Valley, but it will be close, and it will be plenty windy in Hood River, Mosier, and out to the Dalles, where the gusts are going to be pushing 50 miles an hour tomorrow, which is why we've got that wind advisory. The pattern is a pretty good one for us, though, aside from tomorrow's wind, for some decent weather for the rest of the week. Now, we've got high pressure nosing over us right now, and then there's low pressure down around Las Vegas, so that's why these storms are moving generally north to south. This is going to collapse as this weather system moves through BC. That doesn't bring us any rain, but it begins the cooling process tomorrow. So we'll go into morning clouds and afternoon sun as that system drops on through, cooler, but then high pressure rebounds behind it. So we'll be in the 70s for most of the week. Pleasant midweek weather, right? But then this system up in the Gulf of Alaska just drops right on down over us this weekend. This is Sunday morning. I think there's a good chance that Sunday is a rainy day. Maybe a slightly better chance of rain late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday. We'll get the details on the timing of it nailed down as we go through the week. But it looks like we're going into a cool pattern for potentially a couple weeks here. So we'll see how much rain we end up getting Sunday and into Monday. This is what the model shows us right now. Not much as we go into Sunday afternoon, only a couple hundreds by 6 p.m. on Sunday. But after that, overnight Sunday into Monday, we get some pretty decent amounts here. So we'll see exactly how it times out. I think these amounts are probably pretty good. The timing of it may shift, may come a little earlier, potentially a little later. But plan on cool weather this weekend and at least some rain on Father's Day. It is 88 in Portland right now. Wind is light. It's going to be gusty tomorrow, and the freezing level is up over 13,000 feet. On the Oregon coast, mostly cloudy for most of the day tomorrow. Some morning drizzle and wind gusts on the beaches up to about 30 miles an hour. It'll be cool. Highs and lows pretty much both in the 50s. For the valleys, we're looking at sunshine after morning clouds, but it'll be breezy. Gusts of 25, 30 miles an hour late in the day, and highs will be in the low 70s, so we drop a good 15 degrees from today. Partly sunny in the Cascades and cooler. Gusts to 40 miles an hour by late in the day in the Cascades. So again, those are strong winds there. Strong winds in eastern Oregon, gusts to about 40, 45. So a high fire danger, especially in the Columbia Basin where the winds will be the strongest and begin to cool off there too. And in the gorge, here we go, gusts to 50 miles an hour from, say, the Dalles out towards Hermiston. So really windy there. That's why we've got the fire weather warning going on for the daytime hours tomorrow. Breezy tonight in Portland, clouds in the morning, then sunny with a high 75 on your Tuesday. So really pleasant temperatures right on through the week. After being in the 60s Wednesday, we rebound into the 70s on Thursday and Friday. Saturday is dry, and hopefully we can hold that rain off until later Sunday night so dads can have a good Father's Day.